Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for inquiring on our Skoda Kodiaq. This is a video representation of the vehicle, registration LV67 VMM. Over here we have the front of the vehicle along with the driver's side. Vehicle is in petrol blue metallic paint. Some stunning alloy wheels. Over here we have the rear of the vehicle. Vehicle has automatic tailgate. Vehicle is a 5-seater Kodiaq. Enormous boot space. Moving on to the passenger side of the vehicle. Vehicle is an SEL trim level. It comes standard with the micro suede and partial leather upholstery. And lastly we have the front of the vehicle. Again, micro suede partial leather upholstery. Automatic headlights. Vehicle has 26,538 miles. Comes as a standard with the satellite navigation. Front heated seats with dual zone climate control. And automatic parking brake. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions or queries, please do feel free to get into contact with us. Contact number is 0208 686 8844.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.